Hello again, thanks for joining me. What I've done now is put together everything I need to embellish this tag. This is one that I made yesterday and it's made out of a craft card. I've selected these colours because I think they go quite nicely together, and I'm going to quickly stick this paper onto the tag and make sure that it's stuck down really well. I'm going to just go around here again with my pencil and make an outline of where the paper is. I'll try with bigger scissors. You could actually wait till this dried properly, but in view of the fact that I'm recording this, I'll just cut it out straight away. Just trimming the end off there, but you can be more precise when you've got more time. So there we have the base. What I'm going to do now is to stick this on and this on and this ribbon. So what I want to do now is to actually measure where this is going to be. And what I think I'll do is I'll have that line over the edge of the paper there, so it's going to hide it. So let's get this on first. And again, I'm going to use some glue. A really liberal amount of glue to go on there. And then let's pop this on. This is just an example of what you can do when you have some of your own supplies hanging around that need to be used up, and you're a little bit frightened of trying to make your own backgrounds. So this is just a way of using up your supplies. Sorry about the noise out there, it's quite noisy. And I'll leave a little bit of a gap there, I think. Yeah. I put that over there like that. So the next thing is that I'll glue this down. I'm using 3-in-1 here because it should be okay with the lace. Shouldn't really come through too much, but who knows? We'll soon find out anyway. Put that down there like that. And we can trim that. Oops, like that. There we go. That looks okay. So let's make sure that that is going to be a nice, hopefully straight line. We can use it as a guide. Okay. I think what I'll do is just use a piece of paper here. I want this kind of the distressed edge here. so it looks a little bit more interesting. And we'll have that there like that. And again, I can cut around this. This is just giving you an idea what to do with your tags. I'm sure you'll have your own ideas. It's much better to do this once the glue has dried, but I'm sure you already know that. Oops. There we go. Oops. I'll let that dry a little bit more. So I've left this this end open on the lace there, just to see if I want to do something with it. I have some ideas. I don't know whether that would go under nicely like that. We could have it there like that. Or I've got some stamps here that I could try with some sort of butterflies on, which could look quite nice. All in the same kind of colours as we've already got. Let's take that off. We could put some rather nice butterflies or fairies. What do you think? Can you shout a bit louder, please? I can't hear you. I don't know which one to go for. Let's have a look. Should we go for that? Or this? Two the same? No. Too many to choose from now. I don't like this kind of white. I think it sort of draws the eye too much. So let's have a look at this. See what we think. No. I think back to these two. Could have those two. I like them because they've not got the white round them. Could have those. Too much. How about that? Let's cut this out and have a look. This is just a simple example for you. We can get into what you would do with jelly prints and things like that a bit later on another session. I think I'm going to go back to that one. That look better over? Yeah. I think I like that. So, I don't know whether these will have a backing that comes off, but I won't waste any more time trying to peel it off. Just put this here, line it up with that corner there, and I think I will put that over the top of the lace so I can actually just, whoops, put this down now. Carefully just stick it down. Put my moon shaped circle or lady in the moon like that. We need to snip that off there, don't we? See if we can trim that over a little bit later on once it's all dried. And what I need to do now is to just go over where the hole is there. I can use this beast of a thing. See where you're going, hopefully. If you can see what I'm doing, and it should punch a hole in. There you go. And I did have some rather nice lace. I don't know whether this will actually fit through or not, but we can try. There you go. Move those out of the way, move my scissors. And there's the finish tag. Can decide how we want to finish that off a little bit later. So there you go. Only a few little elements to it, but a rather nice tag for you to begin with. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!